So welcome guys again. Let's start to make next part of this blower assembly. So actually we have done this part, this upper housing, and this second is called the lower housing, and let's start to make this next part, which is blower. The name of this part is blower, and here you can see the all of its views and dimension of this blower. So let's start to make this part. So first of all, open Catia, go to start, part design, reset to you. Now hide this all plane, create one origin which is create one point which is act as origin, insert acceleration to this point. Now make sure your part body is defining our object. Let's start to design this bar. First of all, we have to create two circles here. So go to sketch positioning, select this ZX plane here, or the projector point as this. Orientation should be parallel to this, make it reverse all. And create two circles here. First is this, and second one is also going to be here. Diameter of one is 11 and second one is 8. Now exit this 2D sketch workbench because we have created this 2D constraint sketch. Now go pad command to here and make sure what is value for this pad. So first of all, we are creating this part as this side. Just to give this, we have to do 0.5 as a pad value. Now again select this sketch, go to copy of this sketch, paste and paste as special and this part body. Now you can check when sketch is created, and again select this sketch and go to pad here. And now from this we have to change some dimensions. So the actual total distance from 0.5 to this is 7.25, and go to here more, and we have to make it minus of 25 in 7. Here you can see we want 0.25 and give it here as a minus value. Now make it a preview. Now we can check by just click to this major button button and select this face to check our dimension is correct or not. Yes, it is 2.05, and click on this also and this also. Now check what value is coming. So it is perfect. Now you can see that this all dimensions are correct, and let's start to create the next one. But we can see that this part we want actually fully closed. So select this again, make it go to the sketch of this first pad, and make this as a reference purpose only. Now you can see this is closer. what we can do, we have to this radius diameter 8 circle for reference purpose, so that this 11 diameter is come and this is fully constrained and this fully constructed one circle is created. And at this side we have to create one circle here at this section A view. You can see this circle. So let's start to create this circle. For creating this, go to this position sketch and select this ZX plane, or else you can click on this face also. Let it contest this. Orientation should be parallel to this. Make it reverse to align our orientation proper. And now draw one circle here, having origin is as coincident at this. The point of the circle is coincident is origin, and diameter is actually 3. Yes, diameter value is 3. Now exit this to the sketch workbench, and let's check what is pad value for this. So you can see here the actual pad value for this is 2.5. Now go to pad command, select this sketch first of all, and give here value as 2.5. But you can see this direction is going at opposite, to make it reverse direction here. And now next we can see one hole is here. So to create this hole, just go to hole command and select this space, and let's check this hole is coincident to the center. Now it is perfect. So make sure this is we want to next. We don't have to give some depth value, and the diameter value for this hole is given as 1.5. Preview here, press OK. Now you can see where we have created one hole also here, which is passing through this part. And now let's move to our next to create next part. So first of all, we are creating this 6 equally spaced 6 blade. So let's start to create this blade. So to create this 6 equally occupied blades, so to go to the sketch positioning, select this ZX plane here, origin as projected contest. This orientation should be parallel to this line, and make it change on orientations properly here. Now exactly we have to create one circle and rectangle here. So create one rectangle like this, and let's start to do dimension. So check dimension for this. So actually you can see here length of this rectangle is 2.5 and height is 20.25. So give this value is 2.5. This value height of this is 0.25, and make this bottom line of this rectangle is coincident to the horizontal axis. From this to this distance is half of 11 is 5.5. Now you can see this part is created. Just exit this to the sketch workbench of this and use add command here. Give value here as 7.25. Now we can see that we have created this part. Just again go to this sketch part. You have to change some dimension here. So create one circle here, coincident, and make sure to do dimension to this side 11. Now go to quick trim here go to only trim and select this and this and this, and remove this extra line from here, and again give dimension to this and exit now this 2D sketch workbench. Now I can check. Actually we have created this blades exactly and perfectly. Now this blade we want at this all circle which is equally spaced around these circles, and total number for this blade is here you can see 6. So select this blade and go to near rectangle pattern from this transformation tab and check here value. For instance we have to give as 6 because we can check here this is 6 equally spaced 6 blades. Now give reference direction of this one and make sure here we have to go completely around, make it preview, press OK. Now you can see we have actually created these 6 blades on which is equally spaced around the circumference of the circles. And let's move to create the next part. So here you can see we have to create some insert part also. So to create this, again go to sketch positioning, select this ZX plane and projected point as this. Orientation should be parallel to this. Now here you have to go to operation tab and select this project 3D element and select this outside radius, select this outer radius circle and create one circle as original the center of the circle, and this between this distance we have to give. Here you can see a distance given at 0.15. So give this value 0.15. Now we have to create one axis here. This axis is passing to this horizontal axis. Create once again on another axis from here or somewhat here. Now do dimension to this axis from this to this. From this to this, the angle between them is given as, see, you can see up to this to this is 60 and means also from here to here it is 20. So give her value as 20 angle. Now go to quick trim command and delete these unwanted lines. Now make sure to complete this sketch because we want close the sketch only. Otherwise our pad command is not useful. So here we have completed this fully constrained sketch, and also this 2D sketch is closed one. Exit this 2D sketch workbench and use pad command here. Give here value as 7.25 and make it preview here. Now make it OK. Now you can see we have created these blades also. Just we want same these blades on this all 6 equivalent space blade, equally spaced blade. So go to circular pattern here, select current solid as this pad 6, reference element as this y-axis. Make sure you have selected complete ground and instance we are using 6. Now make it 2 and press OK. Now you can see that actually we have created this part just properly. We have to create, and in next video we are creating actually this motor 3D model of this motor. So see you guys again in next video.